Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's new Chromebook Plus laptops. So friend, Acer has launched the company's first Chromebook Plus laptops, the Acer Chromebook Plus 515 and Acer Chromebook Plus 514, debuting with Google's Chromebook Plus initiative that offers a new tier of Chromebook performance, emphasizing better hardware design with upgraded displays and cameras and paired with new productivity, creativity, and multimedia capabilities. And friend, both have the hardware and technology features customers need to stay productive, entertained, and connected. And these new models are powered by modern high-performance processor and high-resolution IPS displays and 1080p crystal clear cameras, flanked by narrow bezels to keep the focus on the vibrant visuals. And friend, each has between 8 GB to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM combined with responsive SSD local storage option of up to 256 GB for the 14-inch Acer Chromebook Plus and up to 512 GB for the 15-inch version, and both new models stay connected with fast and reliable Wi-Fi 6E as well as Bluetooth 5.1 and also include an array of ports for charging, data transfer and display extension including dual USB Type-C ports and HDMI. Both models ensure excellent conferencing via their 1080p webcams with temporal noise reduction and blue glass lens plus AI-powered tools that automatically enhance clarity and lighting, can cancel noise and blur background so customer will always look and sound their best no matter what conferencing app is used. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the 515 model is priced at €499 and 514 model is priced at €479. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.